Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows here, and we're in 2026 now. It's actually the 1st of January today, so happy new year to you all. I hope you're all doing well, and may the new year bring good health and fortune to you all. Now, just before Christmas I ventured onto Temu for the first time. Now, I use AliExpress a lot, but Temu is a new thing for me, and on Temu I picked up these. These are a set of 3.4 meter aluminium multi-function, multi-position ladders, and they got delivered to my home address for £55. Now, it did come in a cardboard box that's already been jettisoned already, and I've just got to really get into it and get it out properly. So first things first is the instructions there. Now let's get this plastic packaging off. Right, as you can see, it comes with a couple of metal platforms so we can actually make a scaffold up. Put them to the side for the moment. Also comes with a couple of stabilising legs, and the required bolts are there, so we can bolt them on in a minute. And then we have the ladder itself. So I better have a quick look at the instructions to figure out how these hinges work. Well, I'm not quite sure how that would help. Okay, you actually pull up these levers and it pushes it down. Now what does that do? Okay, they've clicked into place. Let's straighten these one out and this one out. Okay. There we are, we have a straight ladder. Okay, now in the instructions it tells us that these end bits, that they slide out, and then this is where the stabilising legs go in and the bolts go in respectively. Okay, that's a little bit easier to manage with. A nice A-frame ladder. Let's get those stabilising feet on. Okay, you can see on the stabilising legs there are proper rubberised grippy feet there to make the whole thing more stable and suitable for use. Right, I've gone wrong. This section should remain in the bottom of the ladder. We just pull out this little black feature here, but this section should stay in. So let me take that back apart. Okay, let's put the black bits back in. Now we offer in the stabiliser. That feels a lot more secure. Okay, that's much better. Just got to do the other side. So, slide out that bit, make sure that bit goes back in. Get the stabiliser. Okay, so there are the ladders in an A-frame configuration. What else can we do? If I release that one and that one and bring it to there, we can release that one and that one, lower that down, and we can have a shorter ladder like that. Okay. Now what else can we do? So here in this configuration you can see you've got quite a good elevation of ladder, but with a standoff. For whatever reason you might want to do that. And then finally you got it in this configuration, which is kind of a scaffold platform, and you've got these pressed aluminium sheets with grips and they lock into place. So let's put these on. Let's put this short one on first. This one goes in this end, okay, like that. So this end is pushing down halfway onto a step there, and there are two hooks that hook under there. This end goes on, and we offer it there, overlapping that one, and just slide it forward, I believe. Yeah, like that. So they overlap. So we have a decent platform, so I can climb on there like so, and you have a decent working platform. Yeah, seems okay. Well, what can I say? £55. I don't have any specific use for it at the moment, but certainly when it comes to decorating, putting up the Christmas lights, all things like that, for £55 that's a handy little bit of kit to have in your weaponry, as they say. So yeah, I think that's not bad. Just got to make sure that your locks are always in place. Read the warnings, the instructions. What could go wrong? Anyway guys, thanks for watching yet again. Be sure to have a good new year. Check out some other videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Cheers, bye bye.